In this video, we'll explain how to connect and operate MIDI controllers. Using a MIDI controller allows you to input MIDI data in a physical way. For example, by playing a piano keyboard, hitting a pad, or turning a knob. This way you can create music and control your DAW hands-on, which is quite different from drawing MIDI. Firstly, connect the MIDI controller to your computer. Most controllers use a USB connection to send and receive MIDI data. In most cases, FL Studio will automatically detect the MIDI controller. To complete the setup, go to Options, MIDI Settings. Click on the controller name and then on the Enable button to activate it. Now that your controller is set up, you can start recording MIDI. Open the channel rack, choose a MIDI instrument and insert it on a MIDI track. Make sure this track is selected by clicking here. FL will now send the incoming MIDI notes to this track. Select Song Mode to record into the arrangement. Press the record button to arm recording mode. FL will ask you what you want to record. Select Record Notes and Automation. Before you start recording, it's good practice to activate the metronome. This will help you to stay in time. Also, enable the pre-roll, which will give you a count-in of 1 bar before the recording starts. If we now click the play button, you will start recording MIDI. When you stop the recording, a MIDI clip will appear. Finally, if you don't have a MIDI controller, you can also use your typing keyboard to play MIDI notes. Click this button or use the dedicated keyboard shortcut to activate it. Now you have learned how to set up a MIDI controller and use it to record MIDI. In the next video, we'll explain how to use MIDI controllers to record automation.